So hello everyone, now we are going to discuss about the experiment by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. So now as we have discussed the experiment of Griffith and Avery McLeod and McCarty, this was the final experiment in 1952 that concluded that DNA was the genetic material and not the proteins. Now these two scientists were studying T2 virus bacteriophage which kills E. coli and is made up of only protein and DNA. Now the T2 injects its genetic material into this host or E. coli and the coat or head remains attached outside. Now as this E. coli is made up, the virus is made up of only protein and DNA, the one of them can be a genetic material which is injected inside this E. coli and the virus head or the coat remains attached outside. Now moving on to the experiment, what they did was they labeled this DNA with P32 labeled. So this is the heavier isotope of phosphorus, and as we know that DNA is made up of phosphorus backbone, so they labeled the DNA with P32 and then they labeled the protein with the sulfur containing S35 heavier isotope, because in proteins there are many sulfur containing amino acids like methionine and cysteine. Once these T2 phages were labeled with P32 and S35, they incubated it with E. coli for a few minutes and therefore they let the infection happen. After these phages infected the E. coli, they poured into a warring blender. So now when they poured this mixture into the warring blender, the virus head which gets attached to this E. coli will get removed due to the shearing. So the virus attached head will be removed by using this blender. Now after that they centrifuged this mixture, and what they found out was, now after centrifugation the E. coli cells will remain in the pellet and in the supernatant contains this virus coat. So they checked the radioactivity in this E. coli cells, and whatever was present in the E. coli cells was the genetic material. So in this, when they checked the radioactivity of this E. coli cell, they found out that the infected E. coli at the bottom of the pellet contains P32 label. This suggested that DNA was the genetic material and not the protein. Thank you.